will continue in this video as well, the series that we started in the last video. Now this is again the next 5 in the Nifty 50 list. We'll start the discussion with ITC. ITC is one of the favorite stocks for many because of the dividend it pays. Now we'll see from where the cycles have started for ITC, which we can trace back to. Now if I'll for the moment I'll move to monthly chart. Let's sort of understand from where the cycles have started. So it is the very big, very long business cycle has started way back from where it was listed. We don't know where the base was, so this is just a first degree there. Second, this could be say, I mean, it can't go below 1 rupee or something. So I'm assuming this is the absolute base. But this is our wave one, wave two, wave three. COVID was making the wave four, the COVID fall, and from COVID it is now making the next wave. Now this is on a very long-term perspective. We know that there are waves within the waves, and every small consolidation makes into a newer degree, is as we call. So we'll change our time frame from monthly to weekly now because ITC is a smaller price stock. Now from this, let's see how the uh, this move from wave 4 to wave 5 has been. So even in this wave, we'll have these waves within the waves. When again, definitely its degree will be slightly lower. So I'm just for the marking sake, I'm making it a smaller degree here. So here also it looks like ITC probably has reached its top, like many other stocks that we've seen earlier as well. Now, what can be is there an entry for ITC? No, probably it will trace back to this trend line and it can even break this trend line. We'll see, we'll have to see the time how it works. The next stock is Infosys. Now again, Infosys, similar to what we had seen in the last, in case of ITC, the bigger cycles start from a very long period. Now, this also has started much before COVID. I think this was the low point here in 2017, from where the COVID was its wave 2. It had completed wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Now, this phenomenon of the falls of wave 2 and wave 4 are usually same in percentage wise. One is fast, one is slow. So this is exactly almost matching in percentage term 38.48 and 38.68. So this is something we called as rule of alternation. Now here also for Infosys, the top looks like being made here and it may trace to this trend line and probably it will break further down. Nothing much to explore in Infosys as of now. Next we have SBI. SBI also, I'm skipping the earlier part. Let's start from COVID low, where the new cycle has started. Now, this is the falls here that we see here, right, are pretty much similar. 25%, 25%. This is 21%. This is one of the what do you say, symptoms of waves being into an extension. So I won't say which wave, what all that we'll see for later discussion. But here there is a long extension that wave 3 has seen so far. Now again, SBI probably can make another fall, which is I'll just for the time being I'll remove these percentage falls. So everything went except the numbers. So there could be another small fall for SBI, which will probably touch this trend line. Later it will bounce back to make wave 5 for this particular move. Now next we have Bajaj Finance. Okay. This one is an interesting chart because see from wave from 2020 from the bottom again, this will consider as base. Now from there was a very big well-defined wave or a degree rise that you can see to make wave 1. Now from wave 1 from October 21 the stock is constantly in a sideways range. Now this is neither going falling or it is not even getting into an impulse mode and making a new high. So this entire 3 years period is a correction. Okay, in this correction again there is only one, two, and A and B has been formed. C is probably yet to be formed. So this is the sideways movement is a peculiarity that we see in corrections. Now, basis this where we have seen A and B, your C could be formed, say from probably from this range. So the range for C is quite big. It would be from say 61% to 161%. It can go further. It can go longer. So still, even Bajaj Finance, it has been in correction since very long time, and it looks like the correction is not over. However, here the lowest or the most minimum target for wave C, it's already met. So if it has to reverse, it can reverse from here as well, or it may continue to fall further. So there are both possibilities for this. And the last for today's discussion, no, not last, I think. Uh, we saw Airtel. We'll see Airtel. Okay. This also, if you, I'll switch to monthly for a moment. See the kind of rise it had seen. Now this is an incomplete data, okay, because see this could be 0, this could be 1, or this could be 2, this could be 3. It will still hold true, so we don't know which wave it is with much confidence. Yeah, there are some other factors by which we can predict and which we can estimate which wave it could be, but for now we'll not get into those possibilities now. Now this has been, again, it had been in a correction from 2007 to almost this is 11 years of correction, 11 or more, almost. I think it got over in 18 or something. From 18 it started rallying. Now there is a big fall in COVID. Still it wasn't a big fall compared to the earlier falls the stock has seen. Now, assuming that this is our base now, I can see it evidently visually here, that this is our new base from November 18. Let's see what the counts can look like. So this is our new low. Now from here, it looks like this is 1, this is 2, and I think we are in the way, in the making of wave 3 here. Now this could be another. Right, so this also has reached about 361%. So Airtel probably could have two more moves like this for a brief period, and then it will, we'll see when the top is made. So this could be a small move, small down move, and then an up move is pending for Airtel. It looks like now this is all after this particular top is made, will be knowing for sure what count this is, either whether this is 0 1 or this is 2 3. So we'll have to wait and see to see the confirmation by price. So is there anything left for today? No, I think this was last. Bajaj Finance we had seen earlier. So this is part 2. Now we'll come back in the next part to take further 5 or 6 talks for the next video. If you like this content, definitely do share it with your people and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. And if you want us to cover something very particularly specifically, you can leave a comment there below the video. We'll definitely come back with that kind of content again. Thank you so much.